Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an ethnic look. So I'm starting off with a face serum. This is from NYBAE and I'm going to massage it very nicely onto my skin. This will give me a very nice and moisturized skin for the base that I'm going to do today. Moving on, I'm going to take this facial oil from Alps Goodness. This is an argan facial oil and again I'm going to pat it onto my skin. So I'm making sure my skin is very nicely moisturized before I go in with any concealer or foundation. So I'm taking the Purplle primer again. This is a primer with silicone base and as I have mentioned it before also, this is one of my favorite primer. Applying it wherever I have pores and I want my skin to be smoothened out. So I'm going to start with a concealer. Today I'm going with this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. A little goes a long way is the best saying for this concealer. As you can see, I have dunked in my wand for one time and that's the amount of concealer that is transferring. So I'm making sure I apply it on all the marks and spots on my skin. I'm going with a shade lighter on the same range of concealer, applying it onto my eyelids and below my contours, a little bit onto my nose and the chin area. And that's it for the concealer. I'm going to blend it away. This concealer is very easy to blend and with all the moisturizing that I have done before the concealer, it is making it even more easier for the blending procedure. But make sure you blend it very properly. Now going in with a foundation, again a very cult favorite foundation from Fit Me Maybelline. All the shades and everything will be mentioned down below, so don't forget to check the description box. Also applying the leftover on my neck. So once the foundation is all blended in, it looks put together and one. And I don't even need a lot of foundation as my skin is already concealed. I'm going to move on to my powder and I'm going to apply my powder to all the places I tend to crease. I'm going to highly bronze my face today as I'm going for an ethnic Indian look and bronzy face is what I resemble when it comes to an Indian look. So I'm going to bronze on my usual places. And with the same palette, I'm also going to highlight, and today I'm not going with a lighter shade, I'm going to the lightest shade of browns from the same palette and applying it on my highlight areas. This will make sure that my skin looks bronzed from within and at the same time highlighted. Now I'm going to set my face so that all the powder and everything is settled and it does not look cakey. Moving to my eyes, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette and a dark brown shade from the same palette. I'm applying it onto my crease for both my eyes. So I'm applying it till I like the intensity of the eyeshadow on my eyelid. And I'm doing a windshield wiper motion to apply the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this Lakme 925 eyeshadow in the quads and applying this golden shade on my eyelids. As you can see, this is such a simple look. I've just used 2 eyeshadows and I completed this look. It just makes you look so put together and glowy at the same time. Now again I'm taking the same brown shade from my crease and applying it on my lower lash line. I'm doing nothing fancy, I've kept it really simple. Any ethnic look that you want to pull off, these are the shades that look really good on Indian skin tone. Now I'm going to take this brown eye pencil from Rimmel. I'm going to apply it on my waterline and slightly smudge it to give that smoky effect. And that's it for my eyes. I've applied some eyeliner and mascara. Now moving on to my lips, I'm taking a brown lip liner from Unique Styles and outlining my lips just to give me a pouty lips. I'm going with this Unique Style lipstick. This lipstick is so good, it turns matte after some time of application. It is like a burnt orange shade. And I'm going to top it with this Makeup Revolution Pro lip topper. So again I'm going for a matte look, so I've applied this matte lip color. I totally forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm going to quickly do my eyebrow with this Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is again one of my favorite eyebrow products. Brushing it off with a spoolie. And with that I finish my look. I hope you like this look, as it is so simple to create at any point you want to go ethnic, and at the same time it is so glam. I love the lip color, I love the eyeshadow and the combination as a whole. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye, take care.